Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I am making tortilla roll-ups with cream cheese but full of veggies. They are most amazing appetizer for party or potluck idea. Kids love these tortilla roll-ups as well and it's a great option for their school lunch. So let's quickly start preparing, but don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe video. I have this original cream cheese that I'm gonna leave it out of the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before I use. When you let the cream cheese sit at the room temperature, it becomes softened, so it is easily spreadable on tortillas. So first of all, I have these colorful peppers and 2 jalapeno that I'm gonna chop them in this chopper. So let me start that. With these jalapenos, you can leave the seeds in or remove it to make it less spicy. Alright, peppers and jalapenos are chopped and ready. Let me put this aside and let's clean it up a little. Now I'm taking 12 olives. Let's roughly chop them. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit the like button down below. I have some shredded carrots that I need to roughly chop them into small pieces. So let me take care of that. I always put more veggies, and what can be better than coleslaw? It's a mixture of carrots and more of green cabbage and red cabbage. Usually I use angel hair coleslaw, which is super thinly cut cabbage and not very many big pieces, but if you cannot find that, then regular coleslaw would work as well. This has very less carrots, but no worries. I have carrots already cut and ready to use. I'm going to take out these hard pieces of cabbage and roughly chop the coleslaw into small pieces. I don't know why I did not think of using this big knife, but hey, it's never late. Finally, chopping is done. And I have a big bowl ready. Now that the cream cheese is softened, let's take it out in this bowl. And into the bowl, add about 3/4 cup of shredded cheese. Add roughly chopped shredded carrots, roughly chopped coleslaw, chopped olives, and these colorful peppers and jalapeno. Do you see the ratio of cheese and veggies? It's just amazing. And I bet kids will still love it. Let's give this a mix. It's really important to use softened cream cheese, so make sure that you take out the cream cheese out of refrigerator ahead of time. I would say at least 2 hours. Now at this point, you can use this mixture as it is or you can add some seasoning. And for seasoning, I always add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika, and half teaspoon of ground cumin. And I'm gonna mix this well. Alright, the mixture is ready. A lot of people, including me, struggle of spreading more on one tortilla and less on another. I always try to equally divide this mixture like this, so that it gives me an idea that I can make 4 roll-ups. So let's take 4 tortillas and I'm gonna put 3 aside. You can spread cream cheese veggie mixture on either side. I always spread on the side where I see less brown spots. So let's take one part of the mixture and try to evenly spread on tortilla. Alright, so now from one side, start rolling tightly until you reach the opposite side. Don't worry, the cream cheese will help it stick. After rolling all the tortillas, you can take clear plastic wrap and wrap each tortilla rolls individually. This will help tortillas not get dry while it's chilling in the refrigerator. If you don't have clear plastic wrap, you can use airtight container as well. Now that I have all tortilla rolls ready and wrapped in clear plastic wrap, let's place them in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. I left these tortilla rolls in refrigerator for 5 hours. Let's take it out from the plastic wrap and cut into pinwheels. You see how colorful these look? And I bet kids will love this tortilla roll-ups. It's full of veggies and cream cheese. If you get a chance, do try out these cream cheese veggie roll-ups and leave me comments in the comments section. Don't forget to follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. Be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.